This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change desktop background on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Every Mac computer comes pre-installed with a desktop background image. But did you know you can change your background image? So Apple gives you lots of background options and you can also use your own image too. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook and you can go to desktop and screensaver, or you can just click right on your MacBook, your home screen. Now there is an option change desktop background. You can just tap on that. Like this. I think I will just open here. So here's, now you can see there is an option like dynamic desktop, this one or this one. You can choose light and dark desktop, and it's free. There is a landscape, or like this one, this one, this one. So here's where you can change your desktop background. If you want to use change with your own picture, you can just choose a picture. Maybe you want to use this one, this picture, or this one. It's very cute. It's so simple, right? Or you want to use just a basic color, you can choose in here. It's so simple, right? So that is here's where you can change your desktop background on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your desktop picture on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.